everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to be talking about fire extinguishers and doing safety checks on them. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's a good time to click the subscribe button down below here and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these videos that I'm putting out there for your safety. Alrighty, so fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers. One of the things you need to check on your fire extinguisher, and you should be checking these quarterly, at least semi-annually when you do your check around the house, when you change the clock, set the clocks back or set them forward, check the smoke alarms, clean out the dryer vent, check the fire extinguishers. All right. So you want to make sure that the gauge here is up in the green and is in good shape. Now, the other thing you want to do is you want to take it, you tip it. And if you do it slowly, you'll feel the powder contents move from one to the other. And if it's not moving, tap it a little bit, get it loose so it moves around. Because if you don't, sometimes it'll sit there, especially if you live near freeways, railroad tracks, places where there are subtle vibrations. You don't realize it. It's sitting there, it has a subtle vibration and it starts compacting. You want to make sure it stays loose and able to be used, because you don't want to pull the pan, go to aim it and squirt it and go poof, and it just plugs up. You don't want that. So checking out your fire extinguishers, making sure they're good and safe. Also, it's not a bad idea to at least every couple of years to take them to a company and have them, discharge them, refill it, recharge it so it's good to go and everything's working properly. All right. So I'll see you around the next video. Just a reminder, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And get prepared. You never know when a disaster is going to strike. Catch you around the next time.